Some of your files you'll want to download into your computer and then upload those into your new Google Drive account. So to do that, go to takeout.google.com. And once you are there, you have the option of picking and choosing anything that you want. And there's tons of stuff that you have on your drive you may not even be aware of, but just take a look through here and see what it is that you need to take with you and click. If you don't want to click it, don't want to take it, just deselect it by clicking that box. And then go down to the bottom once you are finished and go to next step. Next, you're going to export once because this is a final finishing product. And I would suggest that you go ahead and click zip and then create export. Once the export is finished, you'll have an email notification. You can go and download that zip file with all of your data in it and then take it and upload it into your new Google Drive.